Naomi Home presents the Sarah Sofa DIY Collection. Are you ready to turn your dream sofa into a tangible reality? With over 20 configurations available, the choices are entirely in your hands. Whether you're hosting a movie night or simply lounging solo, there's a setup for every occasion. Tailored for individuals who relish changing their living space frequently. This versatile system allows you to transform your sofa into an accent chair, ottoman, sectional, and more. And for those unexpected guests, fear not. Effortlessly expand the sofa by adding more ottoman or middle pieces. It even includes storage space underneath. And that's not all, you can also adjust the back and arms to your liking. So why settle for a standard sofa when you can have a customizable masterpiece? The Sarah DIY Sofa Collection is available in various colors such as black, beige, and white. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share for more Naomi Home content. You can find the product link and more in the description below.